Order up, table 15. I like it.
Prepping high-protein meals has been a game-changer for my busy life while trying to stay on track. I'm prioritizing local and whole foods this year, and cottage cheese is that girl. For the busy mornings, I'm making these breakfast burritos with the chipotle yogurt sauce, some sauteed peppers and onions, and blending up cottage cheese and eggs for fluffy, creamy scramble. For lunch, I have these Asian chicken salads with the yogurt and cottage cheese-based sweet Thai sesame dressing, edamame, green onions, and wonton crisps for that crunch. And for dinner, a super simple chicken alfredo with the cottage cheese blended cream sauce, lots of delicious local Parmesan cheese, and some extra broccoli on there as well. These meals are all super high in protein, incredibly versatile and fresh, so comment below and let me know which one you're making first.
I have those other love languages. You want to know what my love language is? Food. I love questions like, can I cook for you? Have you eaten? Can I feed you? Can I bring you food? Are you hungry? And I know they say that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, but I'm convinced that the same is true for women too. Food is a love language.
If you gave up bread for 2 weeks, that's what we're going to talk about. The first thing you're going to notice is a huge relief in your bloating, because out of all the foods, grains will produce the most bloating. And without bloating, you're going to notice the stomach is going to start to shrink. Number 2, you're going to notice a lot of energy. Your energy is going to go up.
You pay $150K for this seafood platter? Now, this seafood platter is available at Tata Fish Restaurant in Wuse 2, where they serve all things fish and seafood. It comes with 5 jumbo prawns and 5 jumbo crabs, enough calamari and octopus, also 1 full-size croaker fish, tilapia fish, catfish, enough Irish and sweet potatoes and plantains, a bowl of coconut rice, a bowl of spinach saute with white rice, coleslaw, and many more. Now this platter can actually feed about 4 to 5 persons. And hey, if your power no reach this one, they also have a mini platter for 80K and an even bigger one, the party platter for 280,000 naira, which feeds about 8 to 10 persons. Now Tata Fish also has soups, rice dishes, even healthy swallow options like oats and plantain. You can also book their space for your private parties, events, birthdays, get-togethers. Stop by to dine in or order for delivery or takeouts. Definitely check them out.